Shalom everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at my wallet, and if you guys watched any of my previous videos, then you know that I'm an old-fashioned kind of guy when it comes to wallets. I'm not feeling those new kind of card holder, Travex type wallets, which are just like, you stuff a bunch of cards in like a metal thing with a strap on it and you call it a wallet. If it works for you, it works for you, all the power to you. But I'm not that kind of guy. I'm very old-fashioned when it comes to wallets. But before we get into my wallet, I just want to go over the rest of my pockets just to show you guys what I'm carrying today. So without further ado, let's just jump into it. Alright, so this is how it looks. I'm just gonna do a quick turn just so you guys see all the different angles and stuff. Let's go to this wallet first. This is my left-hand side front pocket. Usually I have my pack of cigarettes here, which are right here, and the lighter I took today is this lighter. Unfortunately I'm a smoker, so I smoke cigarettes, so this goes here in my left front pocket. But let's just go over the rest. I got my flashlight and pen. My pen is just a generic stainless steel twisty kind of pen. You twist it around and then you get the tip out. It doesn't extend any further than that. I do have a pen, zebra pen, that is like a pull pen. Like it's what's the word? Telescoping. It's a telescoping pen that you pull. I'll show you in a bit. Anyway, that's the pen that I took with me today. It sits right there. My flashlight of choice today was the Olight i3T Plus. This is the bamboo version. I don't know if we can focus on that. This is the bamboo version. I love this flashlight. It's freaking heavy. Let me tell you right now, it weighs a lot, but I like it. It's substantial. It feels substantial in the hand. It's got the two-way clip. This way goes into my pocket and this way onto my cap. Sometimes I wear like a baseball cap, so I use that as a headlamp. It has two different modes. The first one is just this like low level intensity. I'm not sure what the lumen count is. I'll probably throw it up on the screen, and then if you double tap, you go to the high mode. I'm not sure, again, the lumen count on this one, but I'll probably just throw it on the screen. So this is my flashlight of choice, and it sits right here in my pocket. Back left pocket is my notepad. I carry a notepad with me, so that's my notepad today. Front right pocket, first of all, is my phone. This is my phone of choice. It is the Note 8 by Samsung. I've had this bad boy for around, I think, 4 years now. I don't carry it in a case or anything. It's just, I mean, look at it. It's 4 years old and it looks brand new, other than the magnet on the back, which I do need to replace. But I'm currently thinking about switching phones, like getting a new phone. I'm thinking about the iPhone 14 or the 13. I like the small size. I don't want to carry this big gigantic phone any longer. I've been carrying this for 4 years. I'm tired of the size. It's just too much, There's absolutely no way to one hand anything on this phone. So I'm seriously thinking about switching to a smaller phone. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. So this goes here. Next to that, right pocket still, I carry my Victorinox, usually on a pocket dangler of some sort. This specific model is the Explorer. I'm not going to go too in depth right now. Let me know in the comment section below if you want me to go in depth on this. I'll just show you the three things that I like about it. The first is the inline Phillips. So not a lot of Victorinox models have an inline Phillips. Most of them carry the Phillips to the back side. Here on the back you do have the corkscrew for the wine lovers. I just use it to hold the mini pen, like the micro, it's not a pen, the micro screwdriver, I'm sorry. So that's why I like the models with the corkscrew on the back. So like I said, it has the inline Phillips, also has a cool magnifying glass, which works. it does work. And also, last but not least, you've got the scissors. Well, it's actually not last. You do have other tools here. I'm just showing you my favorites and the 3 reasons I choose the Explorer more often than not. Even though it's a 4-layer knife, which is kind of beefy, but once it goes into the pocket, you really can't tell. And then here in the watch pocket, I'm just testing out this new knife that I bought at a flea market. It's just a slip joint. It's nothing fancy. It's not like from a reputable company or anything like that. It's just a nice slip joint. I do like the skeletonized look. I do like that it comes with a carabiner. I haven't used it yet because I do carry my Victorinox and I use the knife on that one for most of my cutting needs. But I did want to see how well it carries in the watch pocket right here, which it does great. It does have the jimping on the back, which is nice for your thumb. It's very convenient for nice, precise, fine cuts, you know, like draw cuts or anything. It doesn't have a half stop, but it does have this nice finger choil in the front. So if it does start to close up, you see how it meets my finger right there? So it's not going to cut my finger. It's going to give me enough time to get my finger out of the way. Now we're going to get to the main event of this video, which is my wallet, which lives here in my back right pocket. So as I said, I'm old-fashioned when it comes to wallet, but let me open this up and show you everything that I carry within my wallet. So let's do that right now. All right, so there it is. That's my wallet. First of all, it comes from a company by the name of Emporio Giovanni something. It's Italian. I'm probably butchering the name. I'm sorry about that. Anyways, it's a leather bifold, a traditional classic leather bifold. It used to have a flap right there, but I cut that off. It used to protect like the zipper, but I cut that off because it bugs me. So anyways, starting from outside, moving in, this is the coin pocket. I just have a few coins in here. Israeli money, obviously, ILS or NIS, depends on which website you're using. Both mean the same thing. We only have one denomination in Israel, which is the Israeli shekels. Sometimes websites use ILS, which is Israeli shekels. Sometimes websites use NIS, which is new Israeli shekel. Both mean the same thing. Anyway, moving inside the wallet, this is my wallet. We're gonna start with these pockets right here. So we got 3 pockets on each side. I only have 2 cards, but there is like an extra pocket, if you can see right there, behind this card. So the first card is just my security license. The second card is my healthcare card, like my health insurance. And then this card is my driver's license, and the last card on the left is my ID. It has 3 card slots on each side, and then 2 more card slots here and 2 more card slots here. It has 2 main compartments. The first one is just for some cash. For me, that's how I set it up. The second compartment is just for some business cards here and just a note that I keep in my wallet here. Let's go here. So the first pocket out of these 4 just contain these 2 things. So I have the Night Eyes doohickey. I don't know if you can focus on that. Come on, focus. Come on, come on, come on. You can do it. You can do it. Focus. There you go. So that's the Night Eyes doohickey. It's basically a pry bar, right? So it has like this pry tip right here, which more often than not, I use this to tighten down my tripod plates whenever I'm out filming. I do work 2 jobs. I work as a security guard in the mornings and I work as a videographer in the evenings. So I use this to really lock down my tripod plates. It also has a bottle cap lifter right there and a nice carabiner right here. It has a ruler here. It's I think this is centimeters and the back is inches. No, that's centimeters and that is inches. So that's the Night Eyes doohickey, sits right here. The other gadget I have is just a phone mount. Like, That's it. It's just like a phone stand. So basically you put it on the table like so, and then I'll just pull up my phone real quick. You just throw your phone in there, and now you got yourself a nice phone stand to watch videos. So that out of the way, this is what lives in this compartment next to the doohickey. Here I have a credit card, just a single credit card right there. Here I have my extension for my ID. It's like it has all my, I just flashed my ID number. Anyway, it has all my information, like divorced, so it says so on there. Moving to the last pocket here is where I keep all of my boo-boo kit. This is like my first aid kit that lives in my wallet. So first of all, I have these alcohol wipes, alcohol pads. Now, like I said, I work as a security guard, and just a few days ago, one of the girls that were playing in the yard at school fell down and bruised her knee. It wasn't like a bad bruise or anything. It wasn't a gash. There wasn't a lot of blood or anything. But, of course, I just pulled up my wallet. I took one of the alcohol pads, cleaned her knee real good, and then took one of the Band-Aids. I think it was this size Band-Aid, I'm not sure. Anyway, I carry an assortment of Band-Aids here. Just a few, not too many. I do have a few sizes of Band-Aids, like small ones, big ones, long ones, square ones, and I do carry one gauze, which is like a sticky gauze. It has a sticky stripe on the perimeter to just, it's like an adhesive stripe on the perimeter of the gauze, so it stays put. So anyways, that's like my quick wallet. What's the word? What's the word I'm looking for? Come on, I said it like 30 seconds ago. It's a first aid kit. Yeah, I'm sorry about my English, guys. I'm from Israel. English is not my native tongue, but I do my best. I promise I will get better. It's just that we don't get a lot of chances to talk English, like to speak English in Israel. You're far more likely to encounter either Arabic or Russian walking through the streets of Israel, so I don't get much practice. So I'm sorry about that, but I will improve over time. Like I said, this is a brand new channel. This is only like my 4th video. So I will get better. Bear with me. All right? All right. So anyways, that's my first aid kit, and it all goes in here. One big package goes there, and then in the middle, I'll just carry a zebra pen. This is the extending version. You just pull it out like so, and it goes. Why am I not in focus? There you go. And then the pen opens up. So when opened, it is like a normal size. I mean, it's convenient for writing, but when you want to close it up, you just push it back together, and then that's all there is to it, really. So it has like a small little pocket here on top. I just push it there. If I can do it on video, it's really hard doing those things behind the camera. You know, I have a newfound respect for YouTubers who do product reviews and stuff, because man, doing this on my own is just, see, I can't even get it. I can't even get it through. So either way, you just pull this and it goes into the pocket. There you go. Now I got it. So it just sits right there. So that's my wallet. Like I said, I do have a newfound respect for YouTubers who do like product reviews and need to deal with like doing stuff behind the camera and everything. It's not as easy as it looks. So thank you for all the awesome YouTubers out there who's they're just doing a fantastic job for the rest of us. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this content. Give it a like if you very much enjoyed it, and let me know that in the comment section below. What do you carry? Like, what is your wallet? What's your wallet? What your wallet looks like? What do you carry inside your wallet? Let me know. I want to hear your thoughts. So talk to me down in the comment section below. I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for joining me. And until the next one, stay sharp, stay cool, keep it clean, and adios.